you all are good. Your ma'am welcomes you all to RK Tuning classes. Kids, today we are going to do something new. Yes, kids. First of all, tell me one thing, kids. When you play with your bat and ball, then how will you hit the ball with the bat? Yes, but yes, kids. Now we will learn sound of letter B. Sound of letter B. So kids, watch this video.
B, b, bat.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, b, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Very nice, kids. Sound of letter B is B. B. Yes. And what is the action for sound B? Yes. Like you are hitting the ball with the bat. B. B. Yes, beta. Do the same whatever your ma'am is doing. Yes. Pretend like that you are hitting the ball with the bat. B. B. Very nice, kids. And kids, I have some more words of sound B. So look at the board. See, kids, this is letter B. Which letter is this? B. Before ball. Before ball. Yes. Now look here. B. B. Yes. Before bat. B sounds B. B. Bat. B. Bat. Very nice. Now look here. Yes. B. Which letter is this? Letter B. Yes. B. Before bus. B. Bus. B. Bus. Yes. B. Ball. B. Ball. B. Bat. B. Bat. B. Bus. B. Bus. Very nice, kids. So, what you have learned today? Yes, sound of B. Sound of letter B and action of sound B. So, tell me, what is the sound of letter B? Yes, B. B. And what is the action for sound B? Yes, B. B. What is the action of sound B? B. B. Very nice, kids. Now you will also practice letter B sound and the action of sound B. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.